Hello everyone, this is my Boring Company's perfume burnt hair. I ordered this about almost a year ago and I just now got it today. So here I'll be doing the unboxing. So let's cut this out. It's delivered by USPS, so you can see the damage here, but there you go. It is the Boring Company. And when I open this, well, what does it say here? The essence of repugnant desire. It's a bit of a satire. It's funny. And this is a nice Velcro style boxing that says burnt hair and signed. Okay, well, oh, the bottle's upside down. Before we get the bottle, let's see what else is in the box. Okay, well, there's like a card from the Boring Company that says that calls us, the customers, as Smoke Show. Congratulations on your purchase of burnt hair. It's going to be lit, but not literally. Flip over this card for some boring legal handover flammability. It's funny. This is the same company that has previously sent or sold not a flamethrower, so you know they would have to kind of provide these kind of warning signs, which is kind of funny. Okay, well, there's nothing else in the box, just empty, so nothing interesting there. So let's get to the actual stuff, which, you know, the bottle opens downwards, so that's interesting, and I guess that's a stand for where the bottle would go. And oh, it's smaller than I imagined. I thought I'd get something bigger than this, but no, it's small. And just checking to see whether it'll stand on its own, and yes, it will. So there you have it, folks. Burnt hair. It's about as big as, you know, like half as big as my palm. So it's not that big. Okay, let's actually smell it out and see if it does indeed smell like burnt hair. Okay, right. Huh. To be honest, guys, I don't know what burnt hair smells like. This doesn't smell all that bad. I would probably wear it and go downstairs and say hi to my fellow guests and my wife. So, I know it's a limited edition. Would I recommend it? I don't know yet, but I love these Signalia from the Boring Company. I hope they keep doing this, and I might be buying them and then doing unboxing interview. Thank you.